Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today I'm back with another video. Finally, I know it's been a minute, but I was sick in the first week, and then the week after that we had our kitchen and dining room area was getting renovated, so I couldn't really upload. So the renovation took 2 days, and right after that I had to put back everything, clean everything, and there was just so much dust. Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna be that much work. It was kind of like moving out of the apartment. I'm just glad it's done, so now we can get back to uploading more videos. I'm really excited. This one is quite experimental just because I haven't figured out my lighting and all of that, but I hope you still enjoy it. So I have sliced up some eggplants, and I'm slicing up potatoes the same. I've already salted the eggplants, and I'm gonna let them sit while I work on everything else. I'm gonna shallow fry all the veggies. I'm gonna start off with my potato. So this recipe kind of reminds me of maqlouba, like the Middle Eastern rice dish, but let me just say it right now, it's not maqlouba. It just kind of reminds me of that. So I had this idea of just kind of layering the veggies into the rice, and this one is meatless, chickenless, and I needed something like to give it flavor, you know, like a bit of umami. I don't really use like vegetable stock or anything like that, so the thing that I decided to add to give it that umami that I'm looking for will surprise you. While my onion is frying, I'm taking the excess moisture from the eggplants with paper towel. So I'm just shallow frying everything until it's nice and golden. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour to coat the eggplant. I wanna get rid of whatever moisture that was left. So here is the unexpected ingredient. I'm using nutritional yeast to give me a little bit of oomph for this recipe because I don't have any type of stock or broth, so I think this is gonna do the trick. So that's what we're doing. Next, I'm gonna saute some garlic and tomato paste and chili, and I decided to use ghee for this step because it's just gonna give it a little bit of richness, which I am looking for. By the way, my heat is on very low at this point because I don't want to burn anything. I'm throwing in a mixture of cumin and coriander. I'm using a teaspoon of that. So I've taken the mixture off of the heat, and I'm adding a little bit of the broth that I made just to give me a little bit of sauce consistency before I layer everything. Time to layer. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of rice, then the potatoes, some more rice, eggplants, some more rice, and I'm gonna finish it off with whatever eggplants I have left and the chilies. I threw the pot back on the heat, and I'm starting off with medium heat just to bring up everything back to temp, about 2 minutes. I'm gonna add the broth, and I'm gonna cover it and put it on low heat. I'm gonna cook it for like 30 minutes, then it will be ready to enjoy. Doesn't that look so amazing? I can't wait to try it. And finally, I'm gonna put the fried onions that I saved on top. Who doesn't love fried onions, right? So I hope this video inspires you to utilize and use whatever you have in your pantry. I hope it encourages you to push yourself and challenge yourself and experiment and have fun in the kitchen. Don't forget to like. If you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to share and comment. I love hearing from you guys. I want to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.